Listen, we're all guilty of focusing really hard on one major number in our analytics for our channels. That's right, today we're going to talk about views. If my video gets a lot of views, it's doing well, right? But according to the algorithm, that's not the only info that it needs. The system wants to know how long people are actually watching the videos that they click on. And so we also need to look at the watch time metric. So let's go. A view means that somebody clicked on your video and started watching. For long form videos, they have to watch for 30 seconds in total for it to count as a view. But for shorts, if the video starts playing, YouTube says, great, that's a view. Views tell you how many people began the video, but they don't tell you how long those viewers stayed watching. For that, you'd need to look at watch time. Watch time is the total time viewers altogether spend watching your video. If one viewer watches for 5 minutes, that adds 5 minutes to that video's watch time. Then, if a second viewer watches for 45 minutes, that adds 45 minutes. Watch time combines two different things. It combines the number of people that clicked and how long they stayed. So I want to show you a good example of why watch time actually matters, possibly more than views. I have two videos that we're watching. The first one on the left has 1,000 views. The one on the right only has 300. You would think at first, maybe the one on the left is going to be a better video. But then let's look at average view duration. The one on the left with the high view number has an average view duration of only 30 seconds, whereas the one on the right side has an average view duration of 6 minutes. If you do the math out, there's a much higher watch time on the video on the right side. So let's think about why YouTube, the system, cares about watch time. YouTube is a company that makes money off of showing ads against people's videos. So, for them, they can sell more ads to a single individual the longer they stay on the platform. Videos that hold viewer attention are good for YouTube. So, the algorithm gives more impressions to videos that help keep viewers engaged and staying on the platform for longer. This also translates to you. If you have AdSense, the more time they spend on a single video of yours, the more ads that you can put on your video if you choose to do so. Let's revisit the graph that we used earlier in a different video, but add recommendations onto the end of it. Our little green guy gets served an impression of my Hua Hin video, and he decides to click on it. So we go from impressions to click-through rate. He then spends whatever amount of time he's going to spend watching the video, adding to that video's watch time. If that video is doing well and a lot of people are watching it and they're watching it for most of the time, then it's going to feed in to give me more recommendations to other people, making more impressions and starting the cycle over and over again. So today, the key takeaway is that videos start the measurement process, but it's watch time that really drives YouTube's recommendations. If these analytics tutorials have been helpful for you so far, please consider subscribing to my channel. What I like to do is help smaller channels or people who are stuck start growing their YouTube using data-driven methods. So what happens if you have a high CTR? Does that mean that your video is guaranteed to grow? It's going to go viral any minute now? In the next video, we'll look at how click-through rate and watch time work together. Again, thank you so much for watching.